ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। मुखश्च एकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो विनायकः धूमकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षः फालचन्द्रो गजाननः वक्रतुण्डः शूर्पकर्णो हेरम्बः स्कन्दपूर्वजः शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये यस्य द्विरदवक्त्राद्या पारिषद्या परस्सथं विघ्नं निघ्नन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय कृष्णाय अक्लिष्टकारिणे नमो वेदान्तवेद्याय गुरवे बुद्धिसाक्षिणे कृष्णद्वैपायनं व्यासं सर्वभूतहिते रतं वेदाब्जभास्करं वन्दे समाधिनिलयं मुनिम् जन्माद्यस्य यतः अन्वयात् इतरतश्च अर्थेषु अभिघ्नः स्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदायः आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत् सूरयः तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो वृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि धर्मः प्रोचितः कैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवम् अत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम् श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृदि अवरुध्यतेः अत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखात् अमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिकाः भुवि भावुकाः यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोभिनेदुस्थं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यः स्वानुभावमखिल श्रुतिसारमेकम् अध्यात्मदीपमतितीर्षतां तमोन्धम संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुमुपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। Now, with Bhagavan's grace, we will continue from where we left off, came up to Slokam 40 in Adhyayam 12, Skandam number 4. Dhruva has attained the most exalted position of Paramapadam, the point, the place around which all the universe, the stars, the planets, the constellations, everything revolves around. Now, 41, Narada Uvacha, 41 through 52 talks about Narada extols the Mahima of Dhruva, the next three slokangal, 41, 42, 43. Then Maitreya continues and he says, those people who listen to this Punya Charitam, what happens to them? Right? That's what being described for the next few slokas. With the Swami's grace, we will take up 41 through 52 and conclude this Adhyayam today. Narada Uvacha Nunam Sunitehe Pati Devatayaha Prabhavasya Sutasya Tam Gatim Drishtva Abhyupayan Api Vedavadinaha Eva Adhigantum Prabhavanti Kim Rupaha Nunam Sunitehe Pati Devatayaha Tapah Prabhavasya Sutasya Tam Gatim Drishtva अभ्युपायान् अपि वेदवादिनः एव अधिगन्तुं प्रभवन्ति किं नृपाः. Narada Uvacha. Narada now says, because Narada came there, isn't it? In the Satrayagam, we saw in Slokam 40, Narada, after Dhruva attains this, the Mahima of a Bhakta is same as Mahima of Bhagavan. There's no difference. Absolutely no difference. No difference between Bhagavan and Bhakta. Please understand that. And so Narada now goes and extols the Mahima of Dhruva in the Chatrayagam that is being performed by Prachetas. Prachetargal in Tamil we say, in English Prachetas, the plural. And who are they? Now we will see that in the next Adhyayam. They are in the lineage of Dhruva himself, right? And then we are going to see also very briefly, I'll tell you at the end. So he goes there and sings the praise, the glory. Slokan Agayat is what we said in 40. So he continues. Narada says, Narada Uvacha, Pati Devatayaha Sunitehe. Pati Devatayaha. One who has considered, not only considered, acting according to, treating, relating to her husband as Bhagavan himself. This is what happens in our marriage. It's actually Vishnu Swarupam. Every Bhagavan, every Pati and Patni. This is, if you live according to the way it is prescribed, one will experience the truth of these statements. But we have gone in a different way today, so it may sound strange. But Pati Devatayaha, one who was relating, interacting and considering and worshipping. And immediately people say, what should I worship? These are all nonsense. We should worship everybody. The husband must worship Sita, the husband must worship the wife must worship the husband. It works both ways. And in fact, in the Ramayana it is said, before Rama went to the forest, he actually did Namaskaram to Sita. Okay, so we may find all these things strange with having been influenced by the Western cultures and civilization. But if you really remove all that and look at it objectively and what the actual message is, then you will understand the beauty of it, the harmony of it. So, Pati Devatayaha, that one who can Sunitehe, that Sunitayin, Sutasya, that Sunitis, Sutasya, that is son, Pudalvanudaya, grammatically, Sunitiyin, Pudalvanudaya. Tam Gatim, that attainment, Gatim, Bhagavan, he has attained. Gati is one thing, is pathway. What is your pathway? Which Gati, which pathway? The other is also the goal. The goal is also Gati. Gatim, which is Vishnu's Paramapadam itself, that Dhruvan attained. Gatim, that Gatiyai, again grammatically, Gatiyai, okay. Vedavadinaha api, Vedavadinaha, even the Vedic rishis themselves. Upayan drishtva, abhi upayan drishtva. Abhi upayan. Upayan means they experience. Abhi upayan, even most intensely, very closely attaining the dharmangal that is prescribed in the Vedas. Drishtva, even after they've experienced all this. Even then, adhigatum, to obtain, difficult, very difficult. Even they cannot do it. They don't have the ability. Nunam, this is for certainty, certainly. Even the Maharishigal, even the Veda Rishigal, who have experienced of prescribed in the Vedas, that explained, that described in the Vedas, even those people, they cannot attain this, what Dhruva had attained. That he is not known. Nunam, this is certainly. When that is the case, Nrupaha Kim, how can rulers of the kingdom, how can they do it? Even the Rishigal cannot do it, who have renounced everything. How can the various kings can do it? That's what first slokam. Nunam, certainly, with Nunam, Narada Uvacha, Nunam, Sunitehe, Pati Devatayaha, Tapaha Prabhavasya, with his tapam, what he has attained, Utasya, that son of Suniti, Tam Gatim, that palan, that final attainment, Drishtva abhi upayan api Vedavadinaha, upayan api, abhi upayan api, Drishtva. Even after they experience the truth pronounced, propounded in the Vedas, na eva adigantum. No, not possible. They cannot get it. That na eva adigantum, to attain, prabhavanti, it's possible. The prabhavanti, they don't have the ability to do this, what he did. Then this is nunam, certainly, kim nripaha. How then, what is the question about the various kings? 42 and 43. Yaha panchavarshaha Gurudara Sharaihi Innena Hridayena Duyata Vanam Mat Adesa Karaha Ajitam Prabhum Jigaya Tad Bhakta Gunaihi Parajitam. Number 42. Yaha Panchavarshaha Gurudara Vaksharaihi Vinnena Yataha Hridayena Duyata Vanam Mat Adesa Karaha Ajitam Prabhum Jigaya Tat Bhakta Gunaihi Parajitam. Panchavarsha, let me take one slogan at a time. Panchavarsha, the 5-year-old, which one? Gurudara Vaksharaihi. Charaihi, charam means arrows, vak means words. Gurudara, the stepmother's words. Gurudara Vaksharaihi, by those cruel words spoken by his stepmother, Vinnena, being pierced. Imagine when the words can pierce you more than what their arrows can do. The wound created by short words or live lifelong, isn't it? Seldom heal. That's why we have to be very careful in what we say, how we say it. Very important. Very important. The vak tapas is extremely important. So, Gurudara Vaksharehi Bhinnena, being pierced by the cruel words spoken by his mother, the stepmother, Yaha, that which Duruvan, Yaha, Panchavarshaha, the 5-year-old Duruvan. Duyata Hridayena, Duyata, very pained, sad, more than sad, sorrowful, Hridayena, with heart. So he has been pierced by those cruel words. His heart is pining, it's suffering, and very pained it was. With that mind, Vanam Yataha, in the forest. What did he do? Mat Adesa, Adesam, command. Mat, my command. Karaha, carrying out my command, my instructions. Yaha, which Durvan did that? Ajitam, not possible to win over. Jitam means to win over. Ajitam, no, not possible to win over. Bhakta Gunaihi Para, when Ajitam, not easily won, how can you win? That Bhakta Gunaihi Parajitam, one who can be won over only by the Gunangal of his Bhakta. And what type of a Gunangal are these? Selflessness, pure love, nothing else. All the other things are corollaries. Everything falls in place. No selfishness, yearning for Bhagavan. That's the only Shraddha and Bhakti. That's what Bhagavan wants. Shraddha and Bhakti. So with those Gunangal, Parajitam, one who is won over, that Prabhum, that Bhagavanai, Prabhum object, Bhagavanai, Jigaya, Yaha Bhagavan, Yaha Prabhum Jigaya, Yaha Prabhum Jigaya, which 5-year-old boy won over that Bhagavan? But Adesa Karaha, carrying out by command. And what type of Prabhu it is? Ajitam, but Tad Bhakta Gunehi Parajitam. one who cannot be won over, but who can be won over by love. That Bhagavan, Parabrahmum Jigaya, that Bhagavanai Vendra, one who won over that Bhagavan, Yaha Kshatra Bandhu. Okay, next one. Next, 43. Yaha Kshatra Bandhu Bhuvi Tasya Irudam Rukshet Api Varsha Pugaihi षट्पञ्च वर्षः यत् अहोभिः अल्पैः साध्य वैकुण्ठम् अवाप तत्पदम्. Now he is telling all these to Prachetas in the Chatra Yagam. These are all exalted rishis, and Narada is singing his glory. Yaha, which Chatra Bandhuhu Bhuvi Adhirudam Rukshet Api Pugaihi षट्पञ्चवर्षः यत् अल्पैः वैकुण्ठम् अवाप तत्पदम्. यः क्षत्रबन्धुः, which Kshatriyan, that Dhruvan, षट्पञ्चवर्षः, 5 or 6 years old, that's what he was. He was 5 years and 1 month old when he had completed his tapas and had Bhagavan's Sparshan, Darshan, Sambhashan, and all the things take place when he was 5 years and 1 month old. So, षट्पञ्चवर्षः, 5 or 6 years, when he was like that only, Alpaihi ahobihi, aham, aha means they. Alpaihi means nothing, negligible. Alpaihi, only in a few days. Only in 4 months of intense tapas he did. That's all he did. And so it is only a few days it is. When you look at what Rishigal do and all for thousands of years. So Alpaihi ahobihi, only in a few days. Vaikuntham, that Bhagavanai, Vaikuntham. Okay, Vaikuntham, we say is a place also. Vaikuntham is the one who stays. Vaikuntham, that object Bhagavanai. Prasadya, pleasing him. Padam, that Padam, again object, that Padam, and the Padatai, Bhagavan Tiruvadiyai. Please understand in Tamil, okay? Grammatically, Tat Padam, Avapa, he attained it. Tatsya, which Dhruvan attained the place in just a few days. Just a few days, that's all. 5 or 6 years old he was, that's all. And that Tasya, Adhirudam, that Padam, that place, Paramapadam, Adhirudam, that most exalted place, that Padatai, Varsha Pugaihi Arurukshet Api. Anva Arurukshet Api. Varsha Pugaihi, for many, many years. Anva Arurukshet Api. Even when you desire it for many, many years, Bhuvi, in this world, others cannot attain it. What he did in a matter of few days is difficult. Even when you attempt it for many, many years in this world, not possible. Not possible is what he says. Not possible. Please understand, okay? That is what Bhagavan, that's what Na Prabhavanti Nunam is what he says. It's not possible. Even Bhagavan himself says, when he talking to Dhruva, he says, what you attained in this boy, young boy, even I'm amazed. Nothing like this has ever happened with Dhruvan, that determination. Impossible. You cannot see it anywhere else in the world, he says. It's a uniqueness. Okay, that is what Narada also says. Okay, so, which 5-year-old Dhruva, pierced by the cruel words spoken by his stepmother, being pained in his heart and mind, went to the forest, carrying out my command there, over Bhagavan, who is not easily won over, by through Shraddha and Bhakti, that's the only two things that you can win with Bhagavan over. With that, he won him over. And which the Kshatriya boy, the Dhruva, 5 or 6 years old, that's all he was. Just a matter of few days. He reached Bhagavan and attained Bhagavan's lotus feet, Paramapadam. That place, even when people try to do it, attain that over many, many, many years in this world, it is not possible. Others cannot do it. Is what he says. Very simply. Does that mean I cannot reach the Paramapadam? No, that's not what he says. In a matter of few days, like the tapas he did, what did he give up? Return. All those are coming. Now next Maitreya is going to describe. Okay, let us continue. Maitreya Uvacha. Maitreya said, Yetat te abhihitam sarvam yat prishtaha aham ihat tvaya Dhruvasya uddhama yasasaha charitam sammatam satam. Maitreya Uvacha. Yetat te abhihitam sarvam yat prishtaha aham iha tvaya Dhruvasya uddhamaya sasaha charitam sammatam satam. Iha uddhama yasasaha Dhruvasya satam sammatam yacharitam tvaya aham prishtaha yetat sarvam te abhihitam. Okay. So, subject, object, action. So we understand it that way. Yetat sarvam te abhihitam. This story, all this, sarvam, you, has been described by me, abhihitam. It says it's the first person, okay, by me, has been described, has been told to you by me. What? Iha, in this context, here, now. Yasasaha, most exalted. Yeah. Dhruvanudaya, Dhruvas, Charitam, which Prishtaha, been heard by me. It is not something I made up. I heard this story. So, aham Prishtaha, being heard by me, being listened to me, being imbibed by me, you, Charitam, Sarvam, fully, te to you, Abhihitam has been described. Whatever has been heard by me and imbibed by me, and fully it has been, in this matter, it has been described to you. Okay. Now, Satam, Sammatam, which has been, Satam means all the sadhukal. Sammatam, they all agree, they all approve. Bhagavatam is great because the sadhukal say it is great, not because you and I say. Okay? So it has been, Vyasa's Mahabharatam has been considered exalted by the sadhukal. Okay? That is where you require the approval from. So Satam, Sammatam, that Charitam, which has been heard by me and imbibed by me, and this time, by you it has been heard totally. By described by me has been totally. Yetat te Maitreya Uvacha. Yetat te abhihitam sarvam yat prishtaha aham iha tvaya Dhruvasya uddhamasataha charitam sammatam satam. Number 46 and 45 and 46. Dhanyam yasasyam ayushyam punyam swasti ayanam mahat swargyam dhravyam saumanasyam prasasyam agamarshanam Tva yetat shraddhaya abhikshnam achyuta priya cheshtitam bhavet bhaktihi bhagavati yaya syat klesa sankshayaha. When you listen to this Punya Charitam, Dhanyam, Yasasyam, Ayushyam, Punyam, Swasti, Ayanam, Bhagat, Swargyam, Dhravyam, Saumanasyam, Rasasyam, Agamarshanam, Srutva Yetat Shraddhaya, Abhikshnam, Achyuta Priya Cheshtitam, भवेत् भक्तिः भगवती यया स्यात् क्लेश संक्षयः धन्यम wealth, yasasyam conferring good fame, good reputation, yam conferring long life, punyam meritorious, sacred, swasti ayanam magat swasti. Swasti means consciousness. Ayanam is a place of no return. Bhagavan Paramapadam itself. What is Magat Swasti? Only Bhagavan's lotus feet. Kamala Padangal, Bhagavan's lotus feet. Vaikuntham is the only place where there is Magat Swasti is there. The auspiciousness is there. Magat Swasti Ayanam. Ayanam means a place of no return. Okay? And so that one, Magat Swasti Ayanam, most auspicious. Swargyam. Attaining Swargam itself. Again, remember, Swargam just not mean only the Devatas will come back. No. Remember, Subaha, most beneficial, most beneficent. Which is what is most beneficent? Not the Swargam where Devatas live. Most beneficial is Bhagavan's Paramapadam. Okay? So, Drauvyam. And Drauvyam is what Dhruva add, stable, enduring status. Something you attain and then come back. It is permanent. Saumanasyam, aha. Saumanasyam. Our minds are all agitated, lack of peace and going here and there, right? Saumanas means saubhagyam, santam. Mind is so peaceful, that is bliss. Saumanasyam. Prasasyam, most worshipable. Agamarshanam, removal, eradicating all the pavangal, all the sins. All this. What is it that's going to give all this? Etat achyuta priya seshtitam. Etat, this. Achyuta priya. The Bhagavan's bhakta. Achyuta, who's the priya to Achyuta? Bhagavan. He's a bhakta. Achyuta priya. Cheshtitam, his charitam, his story. Charita tai, again grammatically, abhikshanam, repeatedly, many times, again and again. Shraddhaya srutva, listening to it with shraddhai. Bhavet. When you listen to it repeatedly, again and again, Bhagavati in Bhagavan, Bhagavanidam. Bhakti bhavet. Bhakti will pour out, okay, will manifest. Now that is bhakti means love. Love for Bhagavan will become more and more and intense as I listen to it again and again. Shraddhaya srutva. They listen to it with shraddha. Now yaya, that bhakti. Bhakti simply means love for Bhagavan. Yaya, with that bhakti and the bhakti in all. Klesa samkshayaha syat. Klesa samkshayaha. Some difficulties, sufferings will be nullified, will be eradicated, will be gone through that bhakti. And that bhakti will come when you listen to this story with Srandhai repeatedly. And what is this story? That is a story of a bhakta. Dhanyam, yasasyam, ayushyam, magat swasti ayanam, swargyam, drauvyam, saumanasyam, prasasyam, agamarshanam, etat charitam, abhikshanam, again and again and again, sraddhaya srutva, bhagavati, bhaktihi bhavet. How to love Bhagavan is to listen to these stories of Bhaktargal again and again and again and again and again. Then with that bhakti, klesa samkshayaha, all the sufferings will be eradicated. That is what Maitreya says. 47. Mahatvam ichchatam tirtha srotuhu siladayah gunaha yatra tejah yatra tejah tat ichunam manaha yatra manasvinam. Now what happens when you listen to it repeatedly? Mahatvam ichchatam tirtha srotuhu siladayah gunaha yatra tejah tat ichunam manaha yatra manasvinam. Mahatvam ichchatam, people who desire the Mahat means Bhagavan himself, right? That one, whoever desires Bhagavan's company, Tirtham, for their exaltedness, for their, not everybody desires that. We all desire so many things of the world, but only few of us desire the lotus feet. That is what Tirtham is called. Tirtham means sacred, the exalted. That Tirtham, what is the reason for those people desiring Bhagavan's lotus feet? What is the reason? Srotuhu Siladaya Gunaha. People who desire, want to listen to Bhagavatam, want to listen to Bhagavan's stories and glories. Oh, Dhruva was like that. Oh, Prahlada was like that. Like that we keep on thinking. But not everybody thinks that. But those people who desire that, how come? What is the cause for it? Cause is Srotuhu Siladaya Gunaha. Those people who listen to Bhagavan's stories, their gunangal. Gunangal means their characteristic tendencies. The tamas gunam goes away, rajasic gunam goes away, the sattvic gunam starts manifesting and dominating. So naturally, agitation becomes less and the mind is more focused on Bhagavan. Gunaha, that love becomes more and more. The heart expands more and more. For a bhakta, the selfishness decreases and decreases and decreases progressively. It happens. The heart expands. That's the nature. You and I cannot stop it. That is the nature of the Hridayam. Listening to Bhagavan's stories makes it happen. I don't have to do anything else. All I have to do is listen to it repeatedly with Shraddha. Now, yatra, in this matter, tat ichunam tejaha. See what I just told you. In this matter, as you listen to it repeatedly, in this matter, tat ichunam tejaha. Those people who desire Bhagavan's lotus feet, they automatically tejaha, their strength also increases, their focus increases, their Shraddha increases. All the things happen by itself, just by listening to it repeatedly. Yatraha, in this matter, manasvinam, manasvina, even the mind becomes very strong. It is no longer shaky. It becomes more focused and stronger. All because the Bhagavan story goes through my ears and goes into my mind. I pay attention to it. That is what Shraddha is. First attention is attentiveness. Then humility. Then you start imbibing it. Then first taking it in. And then imbibing it. And then putting it in practice. Oh my God. Then all these things happen. Tejaha, manasvinam, manaha, the strength and mind, the strength of the mind and determination, mana urudhi as we call it. All these things take place by itself. And sila adeha, good conduct, good gunangal, everything becomes more and more in one's life. This is the pathway. Number 48. Prayatah kirtayet pratah samavaye di janmanam sayam cha punyaslokasya dhruvasya charitam mahat. Prayatah kirtayet pratah samavaye di janmanam sayam cha punyaslokasya dhruvasya charitam mahat. Dhruvasya mahacharitam kirtayet. So, when this Maitreya describes some timings in which this Dhruva Charitam to be recited and narrated. Dhruvasya mahacharitam kirtayet. This the Charitam of Dhruva must be narrated. Narrated just not in a sterile manner. It's narrated with love. Vijanmanam samavaye, in the gatherings of Brahmanas, people who are really doing the Brahmanic things, that group of them, prataha sayancha, in the morning as well as in the evening, prayataha, very important, with love, bhakti, punyaslokasya, dhruvasya, magacharitam, punyaslokasya, punyaslokam. Slokam does not mean the couplet that we recite. Slokam means worshipable, something that is praiseworthy. Punya Slokam, Bhagavan Slokangal, praising Bhagavan, that Dhruvasya Mahacharitam, that Dhruvasya, the exalted story of Dhruva, Kirtayet, they must recite it. It must be recited. Second, 49 and 50. Paurnamasyam, Sinivalyam, Dvadasyam, Sravane, Atava, Dinakshaye, Yatipate, Sankrame, Arkadine, Apiva, Vidhananam, Tirthapada Padastrayah, Tirthapada Pada Astrayah, Na Nechan, Na Ichan, Tatra Atmana Atmanam Santushta iti Siddhyati. Okay, some more descriptions of timing. Paurnamasyam, Sinivalyam, Dvadasyam, Sravane, Sava means or, Dinakshaye, Vyatipate, Sankrame, Arka Dine, Apiva, Sravayet, Sradadhananam, Tirthapada Pada Asrayah, Ichan, Atmana Atmanam Santushta iti Siddhyati. When you listen to the story, what do you desire? You don't desire for anything else. Na Ichan. Please, it's coming beautifully. This is the nectarine sweetness of Bhagavatam, which sitting here all alone in a room and we are talking to you over the phone. Very difficult. It's not possible. You must do it in person and with like-minded people, and then Bhagavan's effect will be much, much more, in my opinion. Anyway, so Paurnamasyam in the Paurnami time, Sinivalyam in Chaturdasi. Chaturdasi, you all know what it is, the 14th phase of moon. Dvadasyam, the Dvadasi time, the 12th phase. Sravane, when the star, the nakshatram is Sravanam, that day. Athava or Dinakshaye in the Sandhya Kalam. Ipate in Saptami time. Sangrame in the beginning of month, Masam. And Arga Dinepiva, Argadinam, Arga is Suryan. Arga is Suryan. So Arga Dine means we call it as Ravivaram. Okay, in English we call it Sunday. But so Arga Dinepiva, Nyati Karveilum, okay, in Sunday. Tirthapada Pada Astrayaha, Tirthapada, Bhagavan, his lotus feet. Astrayaha, with mind focused on it and loving that feet in my mind, the Bhagavan's lotus feet, that's Varanam, doing that. And with bhakti, with prayataha, as we said in the previous one, Tirthapada Pada Astrayaha, Shraddhadananam Sravayet. People who got Shraddha, who are interested, for those people, Sravayet, this must be narrated. Not for, it is the most precious diamond. You cannot just throw it out. People who are genuinely interested, for those people, you must narrate this. Okay? And when the narrator, what happens to him? He's not desiring anything at all. Absolutely. Atra, in this matter of listening to Bhagavan's stories, Atmanam Santushtaha iti. One, for one's own self, becomes contented, happy and pleased. Siddhyati, he attains this siddhai, this palan, this attainment, because one becomes not only self-contented as one narrates his story to like-minded, interested people. The narrator, Atmanam Santushtaha Siddhyati, he attains his own, the happiness within him. This is the beauty of it. And people who listen also, they'll attain that. Okay? Because it's a connection with Bhagavan. Number 51. Jnanam ajnata tattvaya yo saha ajnata tattvaya jnanam ajnata tattvaya yah dhatyat sat patehe amrutam kripalo deenanathasya devaha tasya anugruhnate. Jnanam ajnata tattvaya yah dhatyat sat patehe amrutam kripalo deenanathasya devaha tasya अनुग्रह्णते. यह अज्ञाततत्त्वाय सत्पते अमृतं ज्ञानं तत्यात् तस्य कृपालोः दीननाथस्य देवाः अनुग्रह्णते. Very important. That's a sentence, a subject, object and action. Devaha anugrahante. Devargal bless him. Who the Devargal bless? Yaha devaha anugrahante. Who do they bless? Yaha who? Ajnata tattvaya. One who does not know the tattvam, the truth. Satpate. But he is very much involved in Satmargam, in the pathway, the good things, being inspired to stories and glories of Bhagavan. Satpate Amrutam Jnanam Datyat. Amrutam, immortal. Jnanam, that Atmajnanatai. Datyat, grants. Tasya, follow. That most compassionate person, Deenanathasya, he is the Natha, the protector, the carer, the supporter of the weak and the suffering people. That Deenanathasya, to him, Devaha Anugruhnate, Devargal bless him. 52. Idam Mayate Abhihitam Kurudvaha ध्रुवस्य विख्यात विशुद्ध कर्मणः हित्व अर्भकः क्रीडनकानि मातुः गृहं च विष्णुं शरणं यः जगाम. Beautifully it concludes. I think you can understand most of the sabdangal in Sanskritam now. Idam maya, ennal, by me, okay? Mayi, in me, ennidam. So remember that, slowly you will understand. Idam maya te abhihitam kurudvaha dhruvasya vikhyata visuddha karmanaha hitva arbhakaha kridanakani matuhu griham cha vishnum sharanam yaha jagama. Kurudvaha, the best among, very in the Kuru Vamsam, Vidura, Yaha Arbaka means small boy. Yaha Arbakaha, which small boy Dhruvan, Kridanakani Matuhu Gruhamcha Hitva. Kridanakani, all the playthings that you have, small boys, they all play with different things. They play things. Matuhu Griham, also mother's house, mother's home. Hitva, leaving that behind. Which boy did this? Leaving behind our mother's own home. Will be able to do that. After all, mother's home, where mother is the most secure place for each one of us, isn't it? And giving that up, and giving up all his playthings. Hitva, giving that up. Vishnu, Pranam Jagama, surrendered upon Vishnu, all this up. Which boy did that? That Vikhyata Visuddha Karmanaha. Vikhyata Visuddha Karmanaha. Akhyatam means measurable. Something that akyanam, something that is specified like this. So anything that you specify is bound within a certain limit, isn't it? We call it measure, limited, or whatever it is. Now, Vikhyata, immeasurable, pure, is activities. He gave up everything and surrendered to Bhagavan, single focus. Okay, Vikhyata Visuddha Karmanaha. That Yaha Druvasya, that Durvanudaya, Durvanudaya, Idam, this Charitam, Maya, by me, Hitam, has been said, has been told, been described, or has been said to you. Vitura, which boy Dhruvan, giving up playthings and his own mother's home, giving it up and surrendered. Jagama, Saranam, took refuge, not just surrender, took refuge in Bhagavan. That Dhruva's immeasurably pure and sacred activities, that thing that contains his most sacred activities, that Dhruva's, this story, this Charitam, has been told to you by me. Idam maya te abhitam kurudvaha Dhruvasya Vikhyata Visuddha Karmanaha Hitva Ardhakaha Kridanakani Matuhu Graham Cha Vishnum Saranam Yaha Jagama. Iti Srimad Bhagavate Mahapurane Chaturtha Skandhe Dhruva Charitam Nama Dvadasodhyayaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.